When it comes to deploying SOPs in GembaDocs, there's one simple principle to keep in mind. Put the answer where the question is being asked. If people have to go searching for a standard before they can do the job, you've already lost a bit of the value that this SOP was supposed to deliver. So let's look at the main ways you can deploy SOPs and when to use each one. A lot of our customers still print their SOPs, and honestly, in the right situation, that works really well. Printing is ideal when you've got shared workstations, multiple people doing the same task, or the process doesn't change very often. The big advantage, of course, is instant access at the point of use. No devices, no logins, just there when you need it. So on the shop floor, this might mean printing SOPs and placing them at machines, using them for high visibility processes like cleaning routines, and making sure anyone can follow the standard without friction. The downside, if something changes, you've got to print everything again. The second option is deploying SOPs digitally using links in GembaDocs. This is where things get a lot more flexible. You can add SOP links into your ERP system, embed them in task management tools like Trello or Monday.com, or bookmark key SOPs for quick access. It's common for our clients to get dedicated GembaDocs tablets for giving easy access to their people on the shop floor. We also have a public API for integrating into other software systems. The big benefits when you deploy digitally are flexibility and version control. The latest approved version is always live, and there's no need to reprint when things change, so it takes the friction out of making improvements. And when you use the step-by-step view in the app or web, it's easy to follow along and you don't lose your place mid-task. Now, QR codes are where things can get really powerful, especially for true point-of-use deployment. In GembaDocs, you've got three main types of QR codes. First, the PDF QR code. Anyone can scan it, no logins required. It instantly opens the SOP. This is perfect for shared environments where external users or visitors and situations where speed and ease of access matter most. Second, the Secure App QR code. This one requires login credentials and opens the SOP inside the app with full functionality. This is better when you need control over access or you want users interacting with the SOP step by step or tracking and so on. You can also place QR codes directly onto paper documents like works orders or job packs. Finally, we have folder QR codes. And with one scan, operators can instantly access a full folder of all the relevant SOPs for that job or that piece of equipment. The key isn't choosing one method, it's choosing the right method for the situation. At a machine, print it or use a QR code. In a system, use a direct link. For shared tasks, make it instantly visible by printing it. For changing processes, go digital. And always come back to this. Put the answer where the question is. Because the moment someone has to stop and think, where do I find the SOP for this? You've already introduced waste into the process.